Today we're trying corn dogs.
A giant corn dog from the Corn Dog Company Corn Dogs. Corn dogs. These are actually small corn dogs. There's bigger ones.
But we can't eat the big ones, so...
These things are still huge. Okay, ready? It's really good.
It's delicious. I love it. I'd eat this
It'd
again.
be better with mustard, though. But it's still really good.
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
Yeah.
I'd eat this whenever we got it.
Mustard.
For you. Want some help?
I got it.
Okay. It's good. I like this.
There. Yeah, let's try with the mustard. That's good. I think it's good with mustard.
This corn dog is the same size as my arm.
It's the corn dogs from the Corn Dog Company. These things are ginormous. It's big on the face.
It's bigger than mine.
Alright, let's see.
I think it's delicious. This is one of the best corn dogs I've had.
Yeah, it's really good. And the cornbread has honey in it. And it's got an all beef giant hot dog inside. That is delicious.
What goes on corn dogs, guys?
Ketchup, mustard, or honey.
No, mustard.
Slow down, that's right.
It's ketchup.
Answer is always mustard.
They all go on it, but some are better than others. Oh, it's better plain or with honey or ketchup.
I think it's better with ketchup.
Mustard is just not good.